So first thing first, you have to sign in to YouTube TV under tv.youtube.com. And after that, on the homepage of YouTube TV, you want to go to your top right of your screen, and then you want to click right here on the shop icon. And then you want to click on all to see all the networks. And then here, you want to find the network name GMA Pinoy. Right here on GMA Pinoy, you want to click on it. And then you want to add GMA Pinoy to your YouTube TV membership by paying for $15 per month, and you can get 7-day free trial. So just click on next and then complete your payment with PayPal, credit or debit card. And then after that, you want to go to your top right of your screen again, and then you want to click on the search icon. And then you want to search for GMA. And then on GMA Life TV, you want to click on it. And then you want to scroll down and you can see the live session of GMA Life TV. And you can also click on the lifestyle to see any movies or series from GMA Life TV. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.